Elizabeth started the test panel with great skin, but she was hoping to see a more even skin tone after using Mary Kay Clinical Solutions.
There's so much that's out there and so much new cutting edge.
She got far more than she bargained for, with minor reactions that quickly subsided and revealed astounding results in just weeks.
Hello Mary Kay, today is day 1.
Well, I'm 47, and so my skin looks good. It's just obviously I get a lot of wrinkles still. I'm Hispanic, so of course we tend to get more age spots, brown spots, I think. So I want to get ready for 50, so we'll see.
As Elizabeth began her retinization journey, she did notice a few minor things as her skin began to adjust to the power of retinol.
I did notice that the first day my skin was a little bit tighter. Getting some little tiny, let me see if I can get closer, some tiny little bumps coming out. And they're not really pimples, just tiny little bumps. And there's like a little pimple right here.
I've been using it for 5 weeks and I've noticed a couple of issues on my skin. That tingling just started, and then I put that facial milk over and it was fine.
Elizabeth experienced typical mild reactions during the retinization process. Using the facial milk as directed, she was able to comfortably continue.
That I just got a little bit of dryness on my cheek area and my forehead, a little bit of flakiness on the sides. I am seeing some peeling still, mostly on my cheek area. So I've been using my facial milk more often every morning just because of the flakiness right here. I'll actually put on generously this facial milk to help smooth out that peelingness that's happening.
It's just very smooth and, soothing. I don't have any tingling anymore at all. In the beginning I did. My skin's gotten used to it like it's supposed to. It's doing exactly what Mary Kay said it would do.
Over here, for sure.
When she showed me on the machine, she was able to compare what it looked like 4 weeks prior into what it looked like now.
Smoother overall, like all of that. The texture.
We immediately saw some brightness and just a little bit of reduction of the wrinkles right on my crow of my eye, which I didn't even think that would be a result of using the product. So that was exciting to see.
I'll supervise.
In week 10 and 11, when I started using the product on a daily basis, it was just more irritated, like more burning sensation and tingling. And so I scaled back for a couple of days and then I went back to using it daily after that as my skin began to be more used to the product.
Scaling back will not reduce the benefits, but will continue to acclimate your skin for your best results. Elizabeth cared well for her skin by stepping down to 5 days after experiencing discomfort, and then back to the 7-day routine once she felt comfortable, and the outcome was remarkable.
But I'm gonna tell you that I am really excited about that line that's across my forehead that I've been hiding with my little Mary Kay headband. The constant flaking has definitely gone away. So all I see now is results versus some flakiness.
And now I'm finally getting people say, "Oh, what are you doing? Your skin looks so good," which is great to hear.
And so that's all for now. Bye.